how quickly daughters grow, unlike sons. In a single season, like the stalks of wheat get ripened, daughters forget childish puns and blossom into blushing maidens sweet. Like young ones of the sparrows, wingless hatched, are fondled by the beaks of mothers fed, and quickly growing wings unattached, to mothers they become, and instead of welcome chirpings, nests are empty left. And likewise, fathers also lonely feel when homes of their daughters are bereft. They feel that life upon uneven keel. How quickly daughters grow, unlike sons, from childhood to the teens in a dozen suns.